how you can change your location on Skout. If you don't know what this is, basically is like a online platform where you can meet strangers and chat with them in video chat or text. It's very much like Omegle, but a different platform. So you can meet strangers and talk to them, chat with them on this site. I'm going to show you exactly how to change location on the app. You will need a VPN in order to change the location. So you can just open your Play Store and then search for a VPN. And you can download a VPN of your choice. This one is pretty good as well. So, but I already have a VPN installed, so I'm just gonna open it. And I'm just gonna tap to connect to a server on the VPN. As you can see, the VPN is now connected. And in order to change the location, I can just tap here and change to all of these locations right here. Some of it might be only available on the pro version of the app. As you can see, this crown icon, this means it is only available on the paid version of the app. So but there are many options, many free options that you can use, so a lot of locations you can change into. And if you select any of these locations, you can easily change your location on Scout. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.